This is a BIM collaboration file. It allows architects using different software, Revit, Archicad, to send comments and issues to each other. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the issues. A quick heads up. I've saved my most powerful BCF troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. A BCF file is a BIM Collaboration Format file used for issue tracking and communication within building information modeling, BIM workflows. It contains information about specific issues or clashes identified within a BIM model, including viewpoints, comments, and assigned responsibilities. BCF files facilitate collaboration between different stakeholders involved in a construction project. BCF files are XML-based and adhere to the BCF standard, ensuring interoperability between different BIM software platforms. They store information about the issue's location within the model, the associated discipline, and the severity of the problem. BCF files do not contain the actual 3D model data, but rather act as a container for issue-related metadata, linking back to the original BIM model. When opening BCF, begin by trying BIM software, e.g. Revit, Archicad, Navisworks. Windows displays only generic icons indicating a need for specialized software. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. Right-click the BCF file and select Open With. Since this format can be handled by multiple tools, try the best match from the list first. Look for apps related to BIM software, e.g. Revit, Archicad, Navisworks, then continue down the options. If your BCF file is not opening yet, that is normal. It's typically one of 3 basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use BIM Viewer. Open the file using a BIM collaboration tool like Solibri Model Checker, BIM Collab, or a plugin for Revit Archicad. Next, import comments. In your BIM software, look for the Import BCF option to load the issues, comments, and viewpoints into your 3D model. Finally, check version. Ensure your BCF viewer supports the specific BCF version, e.g. 2.0 or 2.1 of your file, to avoid missing data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.